Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show you the tool chest that I made and the hand tools that I use in most of my work and the hand tools that I've used also to make this particular tool chest. So let's explore. The lid of the hand tool box is secured with a lock, so you can open it, lock, and open the hand tool. First tray in this box, if you see, it contains all the marking and the measuring tools, barring a few. In the lid, it contains this hand saw or a back saw, which is again shop made. So I shall discuss about this in future videos in more details. If you look in this first tray, we have a marking gauge. This is a French design marking gauge which can be locked and open using this wedge out here, so you can work by tightening this wedge. There's another marking gauge tightened with a screw instead of a wedge. We have some pencils, the marking knife that I use, the erasers, pencils, sharpeners, and other things. Next, you can see a geometry box, some more tools, again shop made one. It's a small tri-square, mostly useful for edge. Check the edges if they are plumb. You can see a measuring tape. This is a dovetail template, again inspired by Paul Seller's dovetail template making. A Vaseline often used in some of the tools to smoothen the surface. In the other side, you can see this is a bird's case awl and this sharpening stone. This is an oil stone which is mounted on a ply board. A strap, a leather strap. Chromium oxide, the buffing compound used for in the strap. A bevel gauge and a combination square which is 30 centimeter, a tri-square which is around 8 inches, and a ruler, a steel ruler, standard steel ruler. That's what is in the first tray. We can remove this first tray. We can also slide it the other way to access the tray below it. So this is the oil can that I use, and again inspired by Paul Seller's video, how to smoothen the bottom of the plane. Okay, we can remove this first tray. Then we can see the tray that contains all the chisels. We have a 32 mm chisel, an 8 mm chisel, a hammer, a 1/2 inch chisel, and a 19 mm chisel. We need a screwdriver to open mostly the plain iron, a sliding wrench, a center punch, a saw file, additional blades for the hand planes, and some other hardware like screws, nails. We can slide this tray also. If we remove this tray, we can access the bottom of the box. Here what we have arranged is a jack plane. Before going to that, this is a shop made replacement for the router plane. We can put a chisel here and work like a router plane, often known as the old lady's tooth. We have this jack plane, 14-inch jack plane or 4 plane that is used for in the initial stages of all the planing. Then smoothing plane or number 4 smoothing plane. Then we can also see a spoke sheave for planing the round edges. You can see a mallet, again a shop made mallet with the handle, which is this is the handle for it, so you can place it in and tighten for hitting the chisels. Sufficient. This is a rebate plane. Normally the rebate planes are around 9 inches, but this is an 8-inch rebate plane. That is poor man's rebate plane. The other one is a grooving plane. It makes a fixed groove of 8 mm size and at a distance of 8 mm. So this is how it works. The oil that I use for sharpening, brush for cleaning tools, the hand saws. This is a rib, sharpened rib for rib cutting. It's around 18 inches. This is again a back saw for cross cut as well as rib cut. We can use it for rib cut also. So this is a back saw. The next you can see the winding sticks. These are the winding sticks to check any twist in the wood. So, and it can be easily, everything can be placed easily in its right place. So let me arrange it back and everything fits in the same box. So for the saw we have made this small cut here where it gets inside. We can keep my winding stick, push the saw in here, put my winding stick there. I can put the other saw. Again I have made some cuts there where it rests, the saw can rest. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.